Throughout the years, land waste has increased globally, and what saddens the government is that most of the waste could be recycled. Based on the graphs we researched, there are still recyclable items that were thrown in landfills. We have researched about various types of compost bins, and we came up with the advanced compost bin.
We decided to use these informations to innovate the compost bins and introduce to you the advanced compost bin.
Items that are needed to build this compost bin is cardboard, garden mesh, and also wood pellet. Step 1. Lay down some cardboards to make it easy to flip the piles. Step 2. Put the pallets in place and screw them together. Step 3. Line the garden mesh on the pallets and the side to prevent loss of compost. Now our compost bin is ready.
At the bottom, we suggest putting big recycled materials such as boxes and newspapers. At the top, we suggest putting light recycled items like food waste.
Let the pile in bin 1 break down over time, and then move the finer and more digested system into bin 2. Bin 2 is gonna have a lot more smaller pieces, and let it sit for a while to break down even more. When the pile in bin 2 have broken down into even more smaller pieces, move it over into bin 3. Now, our compost is finally finished and ready to use.
The first advantage is that we keep food waste out of trash, so it won't be stinky. Secondly, we could use the recycled waste for beneficial things to help the environment instead of just throwing them. Next, we could save money for creating our own compost. It is built in 2 levels to create better quality compost. This is because wastes need time to become compost. If we keep adding more waste every day, the process will be delayed and it will reduce the quality of the compost.